Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2019 LDV T60 Luxe. This shape ran from the 7th month 2017 to current. This vehicle sustained damage to the front and rear. This vehicle is fitted with an SC28R 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand front door appears to have no damage. With the right hand power door mirror. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, automatic transmission gear stick, factory climate control AC controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.